In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of DigitalOcean. Whether you're wrapping up a work session, switching accounts, or using a shared computer, signing out properly is a simple way to protect your projects and billing information. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see, and share a few quick tips to keep things secure. First, open the DigitalOcean control panel in your browser. You can navigate there by going to DigitalOcean's website and heading to the cloud dashboard. If you're already signed in, you should see your dashboard with projects, droplets, or other resources. If you land on a different page, that's fine. What matters is that you're in the authenticated control panel view so you can access your account menu. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon, which may appear as a small avatar or a circle with your initials. That icon opens your account menu. If your browser window is very narrow, the layout might compress. Try maximizing the window or reducing the zoom so you can clearly see the icon. When you click the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several account options. From that drop-down, click Sign Out. That's it. This will immediately end your session and return you to the login page. After signing out, any open DigitalOcean tabs may show an expired session message if you try to use them. Just refresh those tabs and you'll be prompted to sign in again. The next time you log in, you might be asked for two-factor authentication if you have it enabled, or to use your chosen sign-in methods such as email and password or single sign-on, depending on your setup. A few quick tips to keep your account safe. Always sign out when using a shared or public computer, and close the browser window when you're done. If your browser offers to save passwords and this isn't your personal machine, decline that prompt. If you don't see the sign out option, make sure you actually clicked your profile icon and not the project switcher or notifications. If the dropdown doesn't open, try briefly disabling aggressive content blockers for the site or refreshing the page. To recap the flow you'll use anytime, open the DigitalOcean control panel, click the profile icon at the top right, and choose Sign Out. It's a small step that goes a long way toward keeping your infrastructure secure. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there with your cloud accounts.